Here we are doing SOP3 of LibreOffice Base. In that we need to create a table product with field names, product ID, product name, quantity, rate, model year with appropriate data type. Insert minimum 8 records. Now generate report to display records in ascending order of product name. So here whatever the product name is, that should come in ascending order. Generate report to display records in descending order of product rate. So product rate, okay, should come in a descending order. The highest rate should come first. Generate report to display model year, product model year wise product list. So year wise product list should be shown. Now I have to build a query in that, okay, quantity into rate multiplication has to be there. Then I have to generate a bill report with appropriate titles and calculate amount for each record. So now the first step, I need to open a LibreOffice. Then database wizard window appear, select save and proceed, click on finish button, select proper location where you wish to save the database with appropriate name. Database will be created. So I am going into my LibreOffice base. So creating a database. By the name SOP3. So my database has been created. Now create steps for creating a table. To create a table, click on create table in design view. Table design window appears. In that window, set field name as set data type as follows. I need to create, okay, product ID, product name, quantity, rate and model year. So I'll start creating a table. Create table in design view. Now here I have to write, okay, field name, that is product ID. Product ID is my number. ID of product key is primary key. ID of product is my, then after product ID, product name, that is my text. This is the name of product. Then quantity is my number. This is quantity of product. After quantity, rate is also my numeric. This is the rate of product. After rate, model year. Is the date, model year of product. Then to assign primary key, the next step, to this I had created. Now to assign primary key to product field, right click on the small button present on the left side of the field name and select primary key option. Then to save, click on save button or press Ctrl+S, give the table name as product and click OK. Table will be saved. So you had completed this much steps. Now steps, first we'll do this. Right click, primary key, click on save and save this by the name as product. Now click OK. Now close this. Open product, double click on that. Now what next step we need to do? Steps for inserting records in a table. For inserting records in a table, double click on the table that we have done in which data is to be inserted. A window will appear on the screen. Type data under each field and complete all the records. Now I have to type data in each field. 101 Colgate, 10 quantity, rate 20, model year 05/10 2005, 102 soap, 15 quantity, 35, it's 10 September 2006, 03, detergent, quantity is 20, rate is 25, date is 9/11/2009. Then rice 50, 20, date is 15 August 2015. After rice, wheat 15, here it will be 26/11/2016, 106, oil 50, 100, 30th October 10. After oil, it will be ketchup 45, 30, 01, 10, 2010. After ketchup, jam 35, 10, 06, December 2010. Then after jam, you can put all pulses 25, 18, 11, 12, 16. So we have entered 10 records. Now after entering the 10 records, steps for creating reports and query. Generate report to display records in ascending order of product name. To create a report from the left pane, click on report object. From right pane, click use wizard to create an object. So you have to follow this step. Minimize this. Click on report. Then use wizard to create object. You can see over here. So you have completed this much part. So I am clicking on after reports, use wizard to create object. Then transfer this completely. What the next step says? Select the name of the table. The name of the table is product. I have already selected. And shift field from available field to fields in the report list by clicking on arrow button. I had clicked on arrow button. From here it has been transferred over here. Click on next. Set how do you want to label the field and click on next button. Click on next button. Select product name. To sort data in ascending order, click on next button. Choose layout and orientation. Click on next button. Type the title for the report and click on finish button. I am clicking on next. Next. Here also next. Now here what I want in ascending order. I want in ascending order by product name. So select product name. The product name will come in the ascending order. Now click on next. Click on next. I have to select what? Layout and orientation. Okay, that I have already selected. By default landscape is there. Next. Okay, title of the report I have kept, okay, product only, or you can keep any title, okay, if you want. If you want, you can name the title of the report as ascending order of product name is my ascending order. Click on finish. So the report will be generated. You can see C, D, J, K, O, R, S, W. So it has come in the ascending order, the product name. So my report has been generated in ascending order. So we had fulfilled, okay, the first criteria, that it has to be in ascending order. Now we'll see the next criteria. So here the criteria has been fulfilled. Generate report to display record in descending order of product rate. So product rate should come in descending order. To create a report, from the left pane click on report object. From the right pane click on use wizard to create object. Select name of the table and shift field from available field in list to fill in report list by clicking on arrow button. From arrow button I'll shift it. I'll show you practically. Set how do you want to label the field and click on the next button. Click on next button, select the rate to sort data in descending order and click on next button. Choose layout and orientation. Click on next button and type the title of the report. It's the same thing, it's very simple. Click on report, use wizard to create report. Now here my product name is, like, my table name is product, and shifting, okay, from here to here. It has come. Next. Now here what I want in descending order, product rate. So the product rate should come in descending order. So I have to select here product rate and here descending order. Click on next. Click on next. Here you can write, okay, descending order. It's my product rate. Click on finish. So the highest rate is 100, then 35, 30, 25, 20, 20, 15. So here my third criteria, second criteria of the question also has been fulfilled. Now I have to use, okay, generate report to display model year wise product list. So here I have to select, okay, model year wise. So I'll just do this, the other part also. So here this also we have completed. Now generate report to display model year wise product list. Now to create report, from left pane click on report object. From right pane click use wizard to create a report. Select name of table and select shift field from the available list to fill in the report list and click on arrow button. Click on next. Set how do you want to label the field on click on next button. Click on next button. Select model year. I have to select, okay, model year, and then I have to click on the next button. Choose layout and product orientation. Click on next button. So in this way, okay, we will do this. Reports, you have to click here, and after clicking over here, shift this, click on next. Now here what I want, okay, in the question I need to show, okay, model year wise. So I'm just selecting model year. Click on next. You can write over here model year wise product list. Model year wise. Click on finish. Now you can see, okay, year wise, okay, my report has been there 2005, 2006, 2009, 2010. Okay, so everything is okay, is my year wise. So it was very simple. I have to just select the year. Now we have to build a query. Build a query to display amount, quantity into rate. Okay, now we have finished this part. Now next part, okay, we will learn, okay, the query part. So build a query to display amount, quantity into rate. Click on query object and in the right pane and click on create query in design view option. From add table window, select table and click on add button and click on close. Select all the field one by one, clicking on field columns. In field column type, write quantity into rate, and in alias column type total amount and click on run query or press F5 function. So you have to go to query, then you have to go create query in design view. Here it is mentioned. Then afterwards, okay, clicking on create query in design view, from add table window, select table and click on add button. Select table and click on add button. Now afterwards, okay, close that. Select the field one by one on clicking on field column. So clicking on the field column, select one by one everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have select everything. Now select all the field. Now in the field column, type formula quantity into rate. Now here I have to type the formula quantity in the rate. Here is the new column I have to create. In the fill column, here it is the fill column. Here I have to write quantity into rate. So inverted comma, quantity inverted comma close into rate inverted comma close. So you have to write in this way quantity into rate, and in alias column type total amount. There is my alias column, total amount. Then press F5. Here you can see 10 into 20, 200. So in this way the query has been generated. So build a query to display amount. So I am just saving this query by the name query 1 only. Close this query. Now again go into the reports. Here we have created the report. And also we have created a query also. Now after building a query, quantity into amount, again go to here, go to reports, use wizard. I have selected query 1, transfer this, next, 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 finish. You can see what query I have generated by selecting the query. The total amount column also has been come. Earlier the total amount column was not there. Now you can see the total amount of the column also. So now the next step that we have to do, the last part, that is generate a bill report with appropriate titles and calculate amount for each record. Now to create a report, from the left pane on the report wizard, from right pane, click on use wizard to create a report. Select name of the table and shift the field from available pane in list to fill report list by clicking on arrow button. Click on next. This is the common step in all. Set how do you want to label the field and click on next button. This is also the common. Click on next button. Choose layout and orientation. Now I have to show the final part. Okay, in that I have to show my main thing, that is here reports. I can show product ID. First I have to transfer everything. Click on next. Now here I will transfer product ID will be at the top and product name. Click on next, finish. Here you can see product ID and product name at the top along with the total amount. So we have fulfilled this criteria also. So here we have fulfill all the criteria. We have generated bill report with appropriate titles and calculate amount for each record. Here we have built a query also to display amount, quantity and rate. And here we have generated report also to display model year wise product list. And then we have done we have generated report also to display records in descending order of the product rate. And then we have fulfilled this criteria also, generate report to display order in ascending order for product name. And then we have inserted a record also in a table. We have created table also, and we have created a database. So all the question criteria has been fulfilled in this experiment. I hope you have understood the experiment. If you have not understood, you can always ask me in the comment box. Thank you.